Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Droid Therapy. Today I'm going to show you guys 5 apps which can add additional features to your WhatsApp and help you to save time or to prank your friends. The first app on our list is WhatsKit. WhatsKit helps you to download and save others' WhatsApp status and also to trim a long video into several parts of 30 seconds and to directly upload it as your status. It can save a lot of time in uploading status and to re-upload someone's status as your own. WhatsDirect. This app helps you to directly chat with a number which is not in your contacts. You can type in the number and directly chat with that number and send videos as well as photos. As the name suggests, this app helps you to view and save the deleted WhatsApp messages and files. It requires notification access to do so. WhatsFake. With this app, you can create fake conversations on WhatsApp. The fake chat looks so real that you can prank your friends with it. Blank messages. This app just helps you to troll your friends by sending blank messages. It can get really annoying when you send your friend 10,000 rows of empty messages. So that's it guys, if you like my video give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next video.